Every egg begins its journey long before it reaches the factory. Carefully controlled environments ensure consistency from the start. Automation begins at the moment the egg is laid.
From the farm, the journey moves toward industrial processing.
Safe handling begins the moment eggs leave the farm.
Temperature control protects quality during transit.
Each shipment carries thousands of fragile units.
Speed and stability keep the process on schedule. The industrial phase begins at the factory doors. This is where agriculture meets precision industry.
Every movement is controlled to prevent damage. Clean entry is critical for food safety.
The factory workflow starts instantly. From this point forward, automation takes control.
Cleaning is the first step toward consistency.
Every shell is washed to exact standards. Drying prepares eggs for visual inspection. Technology detects what the human eye might miss. Final checks ensure only the best move forward.
Uniform alignment allows machines to work flawlessly.
Internal quality is verified without breaking a shell.
Only verified eggs continue the process. Weight determines classification and market value.
The heart of production is now engaged.
Transformation begins with controlled separation. Nothing is wasted in modern processing.
Purity is refined at the microscopic level.
Heat neutralizes risk without harming quality. Stability prepares the product for automation.
Automation ensures accuracy at every second.
Every measure is digitally controlled. Human oversight keeps systems aligned. Perfect timing defines industrial efficiency. Accuracy ensures consistent product every time. Sealing locks in freshness and safety.
Traceability is embedded in every package. Every unit meets strict visual standards.
Organization readies the product for delivery.
Science verifies what automation begins.
Precision sampling detects any irregularity.
Each batch is scientifically validated.
Every detail matters before packaging.
Only approved batches continue to delivery.
Preparation ensures safe transport to markets.
Storage maintains quality until dispatch. Every load is handled with precision and care.
Distribution delivers freshness to every location.